Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to set up a Meta Business Manager account, so let's get started. First, we need to make sure that we are logged into Facebook, then go to business.facebook.com, and if you already have a business manager, it's going to log you straight into your business manager, or it's going to give you the option to choose your business manager. Just select an existing one, or you can create a new one. So you have to go into the business settings. It's just going to show you a holistic view of everything that's going on. If you have a business partner and you want to add them to your business manager, you can just click add people and you can send them an email invite via the email address that they have. You can then decide what access you want to have for them, and there's also add payment methods or create or request access to pages. Then go to business info. You can see the business manager ID, which is a string of numbers. So if you want to give them access, then they're likely going to give you a partner ID. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!